This is a 2012 Ford F-250, 2-inch level up front, airbags in the rear. I thought that'd be enough to clear 35 1250s on a negative 24 offset. Plenty of room out back, not so much in the front. I had issues with rubbing on the factory fender flare right here and on this inner fender liner. Up front, I had issues with it rubbing up against this bumper bracket. Couple solutions. Of course, the plastic can be trimmed. As far as the bumper, there's many companies out there that make spacers to push the bumper forward about an inch. However, I didn't want to wait 2-3 days to order one. I went down to the local hardware store, picked up this hardware, 1-inch longer bolts, and these 1-inch pipe connectors. From looking at all these kits, it's basically what you get when you order one. Spend about $20 at the hardware store, or 50 to 60 ordering one online. There are 4 bolts that hold the bumper in. There's 2 here, 2 on the other side. They say this is a 2-man job. I'm about to attempt it on my own, see how far I get. So far, not too bad. I've got 3 of the bolts out, working on the 4th one. Of course, bumper slowly dropping. It won't fall because it's got all the brackets in the back still holding it up. All it takes is 3/4 inch socket, 3/4 inch wrench, and you can get them out. And once you do, you should have enough flex that you can just pull on the bumper like so and get these spacers back there, and that should move that bracket up just far enough that you shouldn't have any issue with the tire. It gives me enough flex that I can pull it out and slide them spacers back there between the bumper bracket and the frame that holds it all together. I was able to slide them in right here, in between here. Yep, right here. Just by pulling out on the bumper, sticking the bolt in to hold the spacer in place while I stick it in the hole. I'll repeat the same on the other side, see how it turns out. So far, so good. You can see the spacer in here. Just gotta line it up, tighten them down, and that looks to have given me plenty of room up here. I guess once we get it lined up, tightened down, we'll see what she does.